Assalamu alaikum. I am Sheikh Amran Hussain, an assistant teacher of English, Brulbagan Emil High School, Navaran, Shasha Jashaj. How are you, student? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now, and I am also fine. We know very well that we have already been attacked with COVID-19 and coronavirus. And due to this COVID-19, we are taking online class to provide you with good things. You will be benefited if you follow the class. Not only the class, not only the students of class 8, but also the students of class 9 and 10 will be also benefited. Now I am going to take a class on transformation, class 8, subject English second period. Today I am going to show you how to transfer a sentence from affirmative to exclamatory. Now try to follow the class. Rule 1. A or an related sentence. When the sentence will be started by A or an, we will follow the structure what plus A or an with next part of the sentence plus first subject plus verb plus note of exclamation marks. Example, he is an honest man. Here, the sentence will be transferred into exclamatory sentence like this. What an honest man is. Here, the sentence is started with an. So, we have to follow the rules of one. What an honest man he is. And it has been done according to the rule 1. Now we are going to discuss about rule 2. When a sentence is related with very, we will transfer it like this, and we will have to follow a structure, that is how plus next part of very plus first subject plus verb plus note of exclamation marks. Let us try to show an example. He is very unhappy. Please follow the students. Students, follow these rules. The sentence already been started with very. So this should be like this. How unhappy he is. Note of exclamation marks. Now rule 3. Follow this class and try to understand the rules heartily. Rule 3. It is a matter of joy that, if any sentence is started with it is a matter of joy that, we will have to follow the structure. Hurray plus note of exclamation mark plus second sentence. Instead of it is a matter of joy that, we will have to use hurray plus we will use note of exclamation mark plus second sentence. Let us show an example. It is a matter of joy that he has got GPA 5. Now the sentence will be Hurrah, not of exclamation mark, plus second sentence. I mean, he has got GPA 5. GPA 5. Rule 3. Rule 4. It is a matter of sorrow that if the sentence is related with the sentence, it is a matter of sorrow that we will have to follow the structure. Alas, plus note of exclamation mark plus second sentence. Let us try to show an example. It is a matter of sorrow that he is undone. Here the sentence is started with it is a matter of sorrow that. For this we will have to follow the rules. Here instead of it is a matter of sorrow that we will use alas, then note of exclamation mark, and finally we will submit second clause or second sentence. He is undone. I think we will have understood the rules very fine. Now we are going to discuss rule number 5. Rule number 5. I wish. If any sentence is started with I wish, we will have to follow this structure. If plus second sentence plus note of exclamation mark. Example, I wish I were a bird. Please follow the sentence. Here the sentence is started with I wish. For this, we will transfer it into exclamatory like this. If I were a bird. These rules are for affirmative to exclamatory. Dear students, I think you will be highly benefited if you follow the class regularly and properly. And now the time is for homework. Please write down the homework and you will have to submit the homework when school will be open. 10 sentences of affirmative to exclamatory and 10 sentences of exclamatory to affirmative. This is the homework. Dear students, I think you will be benefited highly, and you will have to follow the class regularly. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.